I'm coming.
I'm kicking the video.
Soon as Big Daddy get ready.
Video.
Okay.
I'm kicking it. Video.
What shoe you putting on now?
Hey guys, it's Kaden. So today on our girls is freestyle.
Is my mom
At
here
the
to help?
beach.
Is my mom
That back in the room.
Yes, ma'am.
Room in there. What?
My mom.
Yeah.
Going somewhere, and this is my aunt. Has the things. Can we go now? Can we go
No,
now?
you leave that store. You leave that store now.
Oh.
Who that?
Sheree.
Can we go now? No.
When they get huh? You know what? Give me one. Give me one.
So today on our girls is freestyle stuff. I just like to see that a lot. Jaden, why are you kicking on the walls? I'm going to. When your mommy sees this video, she's gonna get mad at you.
Ah, you are doing. Let's talk. Say hi. Oh, that's my bag right there. I'm looking for my head.
You cannot see.
Oh, that's what.
You can't see me.
Yes, I
No, you can't.
My head look all right.
Fine, put something on. Come on, let's do.
My hair look all right.
It don't look that good, but
Hey!
stop screaming.
Jason,
Stop screaming.
ouch.
You did that purposely, just not here. Jaden.
Huh?
Okay. Oh, look. This pillow has words on it. It says saltwater curses everything. And I got my pajamas over there. Then like in the club. Dun
Pull
dun.
that tissue for the baby.
You got who got an alien attack? Jada or Jason? Jason. No, that was Jaden. Wow.
Okay. Grandma is ready.
Can he just have it? It's his. He can have it. It's his.
It is.
Give it to Jaden. You had the Find and Joy backpack. Really, Jaden?
Grab that corkscrew.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, see. Have next to me. Bye.
Got the bag on you?